Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actions. Convert raw lists into a structured table, name it, and standardize formats. You clean obvious issues now, remove duplicates, fill blanks with sensible defaults, and turn date text into Excel dates so functions work. Once done, create key helper columns like year and month and format numeric values as numbers or currency. This prepares live data for formulas, pivoting, and charts without surprises later when you run analyzes. You now transform and execute the core analysis. Start a pivot table to aggregate totals and spot trends, place date in rows with grouping by month or year to compare periods. Then add sumifs and averagefs for targeted metrics, and use index match for lookups when VLOOKUP fails. Make helper columns for flags and normalized values so calculations stay readable. Once your calculations match pivot outputs, lock ranges, and use tables so formulas expand automatically as new data arrives. You finish by turning results into clear visuals and a repeatable workflow. Create charts, line for trends, bar for category comparisons, and combo charts for mixed metrics, and attach slicers to let viewers filter instantly. Make a small dashboard sheet with key numbers and conditional formatting to highlight exceptions. Finally, save a versioned file and document assumptions inside the workbook. If numbers disagree, check raw date formats and table ranges first. Inconsistent formats or truncated tables cause most errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.